A reflection based on the Gospel of St. Matthew, chapter 13, verses 47 to 53.
Your gospel net is cast abroad to every land and sea. You call the weak, the strong, the lost to live eternally. Gather us into your kingdom, Lord. Lead us in truth each day. Shape our hearts with love and mercy. Guide us on heaven's way.
Teach us, Lord, to judge no soul, for you alone can see the hidden hopes, the silent wounds, the hearts that long to be free.
The ancient words still guide our way, their truth forever new. Fulfilled in Christ our living Lord, who makes all things anew. Your word is life, your cross our hope, your spirit lights the way. Keep us faithful to the end, until the dawning day.
So may we live as faithful friends, with mercy, hope, and grace, until we stand before your throne and see you face